Right, here you can see a very naked Hermes Baby. It's come a long way since I filmed this morning. You'll probably notice that most of those keys are sitting down. That's because they're operating, and not too badly at that. So, pretty happy about that. Also, I've managed to set aside that saw and set it back into place. You can probably see that tiny little metal pinprick there. Sorry about the focus, guys. You can probably see that tiny little metal pinprick there, and that's what it being set back in. It was loose at both ends. However, there is the problem of the handle still, and that is because of, let's get in here, that little missing screw. If you pull that back into place where it should sit, you notice that the handle comes back in. So there's no real problem. That fixed, and get a ribbon into it, and this guy's ready to go.